I'm going to say something that might sting a little. If your USDT is sitting right now in your wallet, you are losing money. Not because the price is dropping, but idle capital in a world of inflation is constantly shrinking in value. Today, I'm going to tell you why this is a problem and the simple fix that takes less than 10 minutes to set up. Let's start with the mindset thing because I think this is where it all begins. Most of us, we are taught to save. Put your money where it is safe and leave it alone. And for a long time, that advice made sense. But the world has changed. Inflation has changed. And the tools that are available to us has dramatically changed as well. Saving is still important, but saving smartly is what separates people who build wealth gradually and people who remain stuck, who stay stuck at the same level year after year. Now, in the online world, a lot of us deal in USDT. It is stable, it is widely accepted, and it is easy to move. So we accumulate it, we earn it from deals, from crypto trades, affiliate payouts, and then we pack it somewhere and move on. That packing habit is costing you. Here's a practical example. Imagine you have 500 USDT sitting idle somewhere in the last 90 days. In that time, you earned nothing. But if that 500 USDT was in a savings product earning even a modest daily rate, compounded over 90 days, you would have walked away with more than you started with without doing a single thing. That is not a huge number on 500 USDT, but then scale it up and consider this is the money you're already going to hold anyway. The opportunity cost of not doing this is real. So what's the fix? Flexible savings is your no excuse option. You deposit USDT, you earn interest on your deposited USDT daily, and you can take it back, take it out whenever you want. No lock-in, no penalties, no complicated setup. This is for the person who says, I want my money working, but I am not fully ready to commit. Perfect. Start here. Fixed saving is your next level. You decide on a term, 7, 14, or 30 days. You lock your USDT in and you earn rates higher than flexible. This is for the disciplined holder, the person who knows they are not touching that bag for a while. If that is you, just know that fixed savings rewards that discipline with better return. Both options solves your problem. They stop money from sitting idle. They put it to work in the background while you focus on building your line income in the front. And here is what I love about that approach for people in our space specifically. We're already grinding. We're already putting in the work to build income streams. This is the layer that makes those earnings compound without extra hustle. You earned the money once, now let that money earn for you. Stop letting your USDT sit idle. It is really that simple. Head to CoinEx using the link in my description, create your account, and move your idle USDT into savings today. Start with flexible if you want to keep access. Go with fixed if you're ready to earn more. Either way, take the step. Subscribe to the Grind Academy for more practical steps like this every week. Like this video and share it with someone who is sitting on idle crypto. See you in the next one.